Hi, welcome to our third episode of Digital Mastery Minutes short webinar series. Our today's topic is going to be very special as we will be discussing how to create and foster a research and feedback-driven culture at universities using QuestionPro. When I say universities, I would like to target this session with a focus on all higher education institutions in Uzbekistan and the Central Asia region. And along the slides, you will learn how we, Prospectus Digital, with our DBS Partners team in Tashkent, can really help your university or institute digitally transform your academic and administrative research activities. So pretty excited to share all these things with you. So let's start. Well, creating and developing a research and feedback culture at universities may take some time, requiring a good number of efforts and commitment involving your stakeholders like university management, faculty members, students, and even external partners. But here are several practical steps that you can consider to start and manage this process more effectively. So first, we all know that research is a core part of any university's strategy, which is quite often outlined in their mission and vision statements. Like almost every university says they wish to excel and lead on research. But the question is how you actually do this in practice and how well you communicate your research activities with your audience through your channels. So assuming it's already a part of your university strategy, it is important to set clear goals and priorities and to choose the right research platform to help you achieve them. So second, you need to encourage your faculty and students to participate in the research projects and come up with different new interesting research topics. But then you should also consider rewarding those research projects with recognitions, some incentives, awards, publications, promotions, etc. So and also provide necessary support in the process and also training to help your students and faculty improve their research skills. So next, you can organize regular research contests among students to promote kind of healthy competition and encourage innovation. And actually, I'm going to share with you a good example of this in my further slides. You can also explore research collaboration with other universities and also industries. So to create your own research network and share knowledge in between. So to support the implementation of your research goals, we offer you exclusive access to QuestionPro platform, which is the world's leading and most adopted digital research platform. You can create and conduct surveys of any nature and complexity, and this will ultimately power all academic and operational research activities of your institution. It is also the most adopted software by universities globally, with over 5,000 academic institutions across the world using the platform to power their research activities. This is quite a large number. This really makes 1 in 5 of all universities across the globe use this platform for their research and survey purposes. Let me now show you the list of this universities so you have a good idea. So here you can see this drop down, select your university, and when you click this, you can see and all of them are active users of QuestionPro platform. So as a university, there are many reasons why you should consider using this platform. And firstly, you will provide this free access to your students and faculty members to this industry's leading digital research platform to enable them conduct the semester works, bachelor's, master's, or doctoral thesis assignments. And this will really enable your students and faculty members to conduct their research in an efficient and timely manner, so which will allow them to focus on other important aspects of their academic life. Secondly, by adopting QuestionPro, you will be actually demonstrating to your university stakeholders as well as your government your commitment to academic research and digital innovation. This will also mean that you contribute to the development of your students' hard skills in terms of the knowledge and practice of this tool, as well as towards the development of those sectors on which your research actually are covering. In addition, QuestionPro will help you promote knowledge transfer, and also it will create you the opportunity for commercialization of research projects outcomes, as you will be able to connect with industries and other universities to share knowledge and explore different opportunities to turn your research project outcomes into some sort of commercial partnerships. So next, your administration, HR department, and staff members can conduct teacher and employee engagement studies to gain valuable insights into your institution's different strengths, and also to explore your areas of improvement. And as we already know that this software is used in thousands of universities on all continents in the fields of social research, economy, pharmacy, medicine, and more. So this really demonstrates that the platforms is really versatile and demonstrate its reliability in supporting various research needs. Lastly, you can acquire this enterprise platform at a significantly reduced price, and this will allow you to benefit from all of the advanced features of the platform at a fraction of cost, really. Now let's take a look at some of those top features in terms of what kind of question types are available for your users. QuestionPro supports in fact over 80 categories of question types, which enables the implementation of all types of research activities, really. And these question types are divided into basic and advanced categories. The basic section includes, as you can see, quite a good number of question types, including this multiple choice questions, text, ordering, static content, graphical rating, basic metrics, the different image chooser options, and others. Here is the set of advanced question types that you can see, and here the advanced section includes question types like this customer satisfaction, NPS score type of questions, different pricing analysis, ordering, logics, mobile, advanced metrics, and even healthcare focused question types. So this wide range of question types really enable users to conduct research and feedback activities in lots of various areas, but more importantly, it will help them come up with different ideas on what to study and how to implement their research methodology. Well, you might be wondering what these question types actually mean, as there is a chance that your users may not be very familiar with all of them. And here the platform really helps, because QuestionPro also serves as a learning tool for any user, because by using the platform, you will simultaneously developing your research skills, you're becoming more aware about research methods available, and what are the best practice techniques you can apply. So it's quite a on-hands experience. So, and when it comes to better understanding the importance and the nature of these question types. So let me show you what I mean really by this as a learning tool. So now if you go back to this platform, and let's try to pick up any active survey, and when you try to add a question, this pop-up panel comes up. Here you are given this option to select a question type from the basic and also advanced category. And when you do this, when you hover over your mouse cursor on any of these question type, you can see immediately on the right side of the panel the actual demonstration of that question inside your survey. So you will immediately get an idea how this question type is going to look like on your survey, which gives you a good idea about the best ways to design your survey. And at the same time, you will get a good understanding what you can really study, what you can research, what you can explore with these question types. So this was the basic, and here is the advanced section. So as you can see, this is NPS score related question. So it's also quite a good time saver in terms of that when you add this question onto your questionnaire, it will be already like preset, predefined, so you just need to customize your text messages and so on. So here this popular pricing analysis question types, which are actually advanced type of analysis that not all research platforms actually offer. So card sorting, which gives you good ways of ranking your respondents' entries, and here healthcare related question types. So really quite a rich set of questions at your disposal. So next, let's look into more specific set of activities in terms of how your students, your faculty members, and also your administration can use QuestionPro. So there are numerous ways in which your students can really benefit from this. And firstly, they can conduct online surveys as part of their research project. Secondly, they can create different classroom quizzes, polls, tests, and assessments. And next, they can also develop surveying skills and use of research methods, which will benefit them in their academic and professional lives. So they can enhance their resumes, which should not be really underestimated, because with the kind of practical tool experience they gain by using QuestionPro, it will help them become more employable. Because nowadays, in addition to the degree, it's very important that a candidate for any prospective job is skilled and experienced with a set of different digital tools, be it for research purpose, for marketing, and other information systems. So next, and this is going to be the biggest part, that students can use it for their coursework and dissertation thesis research projects. And in all these activities, they will be collecting and analyzing and visualizing data and share insights. And this way, making their research more comprehensive and impactful. Now let's look into some activities of your faculty members, on how they can use this system. Similarly, they can also conduct course evaluations at the end of each semester, so to gather feedback from students and so on. And secondly, they can assess students' learning and gather feedback by different aspects of the program, so to enhance the delivery. And also they can conduct quick studies of the class subject, and so for the purpose of improving the teaching methods, or also covering different other case studies that they might have carried out beyond the class. And they can also use the platform as a good way to facilitate collaboratively on those students' courseworks and dissertations, because the platform really has its unique on-the-form collaboration capabilities, and they can also conduct, in addition, like alumni surveys and evaluate program outcomes, so to gain valuable insights into their institution's performance post-graduation. So, and all these activities really will actually help you as a higher education institution effectively communicate the merits of your students to the public, say for marketing purposes, as well as to their prospective employers. So if you are part of a university administration, QuestionPro can be a valuable tool for collecting feedback from your students, from your faculty members, and also staff. And you can also use it to conduct evaluations for faculty and staff performance, conduct market research activities to inform various decision making, and also conduct employee engagement and experience surveys, and you can even run complete employee experience program with this tool, which will consist of pulse surveys, exit interviews, event feedbacks, just to name a few. So, and finally, to ensure that you act as a driver for creating a feedback-driven culture, you really just need to keep requesting for feedback and to get people active on this. This is quite simple, but yet very practical solution. But you also need to communicate and act on your findings, so to continuously improve the research process. Now let's take a look at one best practice example on how QuestionPro was really used to power some great research activity with the case to Technical University of München. TUM Research Fest is an annual event held by this top university in Germany. And the event aims to showcase the university's research activities by the students, and this really promotes knowledge transfer between industry, academia, and society. If you click on this image, you can see that the main page opens up. So here you can see all the submissions of research works conducted, performed by their students. And there are pretty interesting and pretty unique topics are listed here. Something which I really like, for instance, here, which very much happens on our daily routine, is that this project. Can I still eat this? exploring consumer behavior towards food products with date labels. So when you click this, it opens up the executive summary style page of the research work, which consists of background of the research, the objectives, the research methodology they used, and also what results they came up with through this study, and also the conclusion and implications really nicely and visually listed in this 1 or 2 pages files. And as you can see here, if you want to ask questions, so where QuestionPro was used, is you can see here on this research methodology, they list like online survey, including an implicit association test, and etc. So as you can see, this research project was used with a survey, and Toom is actually the active user of the platform, and so you can have a look here. Go back to this university's portal, which we saw earlier, and you can see here that let's see here. So if you type in Technisch, so you see here this Technische Universität München. So I would suggest you click on this link and explore more on this page, so to give a better idea about how this kind of research-driven activities really contribute to the popularity, credibility, and ranking of this universities. And also really a great way to demonstrate the merits of the students. Now, as most of the things come down to costs, let me share with you how much it will actually cost you to acquire the platform. And we will be comparing this university license to the regular research license, which is offered for commercial organizations. So and this university license is the same research license, which is being offered at a reduced rate for universities. And the pricing on this page is only available for universities in Central Asia. So university license is a fully advanced research edition, and as the first tier of this edition, we focus on up to 500 users. And although you can have as many users according to other tiers, this first level covering up to 500 users is a pretty good start. So we focus the comparison based on this amount. This gives you unlimited number of survey, both responses and also respondents. And the cost of this has been reduced by QuestionPro to $7,500 per year. To compare this with the research license offered to commercial organizations, this gives access to all employees of the organizations, and it covers a number of respondents from 20,000 to 1 million, while with academic research license you actually get unlimited number of survey respondents, and is billed at from $10,000 to almost $200,000 per year. So you can imagine how really QuestionPro made this platform as affordable as possible to all universities. But that's not all. What I mean here is that on top of this already reduced annual license cost, as we are the official solutions partner of QuestionPro in the region, we offer you additional 20% discount on their list pricing. So, which means that this $7,500 is going to be reduced for your university in Central Asia to $6,000 a year. And if you try to divide this to the number of users you are going to have, this would really mean your university would pay just $1 per each user, taking into account that it covers 500 users. So it's just $1 per user per month, and taking into account all the capabilities and scalability of this platform, this is really a steal. I would really recommend your university to consider this offer, and also you are also free to compare with any other alternative solutions, and to make sure that this is really an exclusive offer that probably you won't be able to get anywhere else. And on top of this pricing, a number of advantages offered to you when you acquire this platform through us. So in addition to this 20% discount that we just mentioned, we will be providing you free onboarding training, both for your students groups and also for your management and administration. We will also conduct a 1-month website visitor survey on your university website as a full package, like from design to finish to execution to reporting on the key findings. And also we will provide this first line technical support in English, Russian, and Uzbek languages. And so instead of emailing to QuestionPro to the United States or other countries, so we will be very close to you, next to you, ready to provide any technical first line of support where necessary. And the other advantage is that we will be listing your institution at QuestionPro academic portal as well. For a bigger and larger exposure. With that also, as we walk along together, you will also have the opportunity where we can become your long-term or strategic or regular digital research and analytics partner, and assist you in all of your analytics activities, which will also include the analytics around your websites and other social media channels. So this really concludes our session today, and I thank you a lot for taking time for this episode of Digital Mastery Minutes. I hope you found this webinar very useful and informative, and if you would like to arrange a demo session for QuestionPro University Edition, and you would like to request your free trial account setup for 14 days, please connect with me either on LinkedIn or drop me an email, or you can also call me directly on my mobile number that you can see on the screen. And please share the link with your network, and if you happen to represent any higher education institution anywhere in Central Asia, please share this video with your management team, with your administration, as this could really lead to some very exciting and transformative changes, I believe. Please feel free to leave your comments or questions by clicking on the comment icon right below the video screen, and to keep an eye on our upcoming sessions and also view our previously run webinar series, please visit this short link, which we will be putting nicely in one single page for you, and I'm sure you will discover something new and useful for you anytime. So thanks again, everyone. I hope to see you all in our next session. Bye for now.